I'm doing salt free next week just to kind of like cleanse my palate a bit, because I feel like I've been eating and craving too many salty things, and salty things are usually junk food, right? So just kind of like going without salt. So here's, just got back from grocery shopping. Black peppers just because I needed black pepper, but I got some black beans, a couple of cans of those for when I make ugly scramble for breakfast. Then I also got some oats because I just kind of been feeling oatmeal-y, probably because it's like fall, you know, like I don't know, I just been feeling like oatmeal. So I thought, let me get some oats, some pumpkin to add into the oatmeal, a dollop of pumpkin, again because it's fall, so I guess my body just feels like having that. Green tea was on special, so they didn't just have plain green tea, but I don't mind. I mean, it's great for digestion, so, and helping you kind of, it helps me feel like full, like I ate something. So and then obviously green teas are good for digestion, mint's good for digestion, so you can't really go wrong. What else? I got frozen veg galore just because it was like, if you bought 5, they were like $1 a piece. So I've got various veggies, broccoli, green beans, some corn and peas. I'm kind of doing sugar-free as well, but except for like, you know, naturally occurring sugar, like, so I'm not doing candy or anything like that. And I don't add sugar to my coffee or tea, fortunately, so that kind of makes it easier to do, because I'm not going to be missing sugar that way. But yeah, I've got some grapes, a lot of grapes actually. Listen, inflation and the economy right now, these are on special, like $4 for this huge 3-pound of grapes. So yeah, coffee, because I'm eating pretty plain, right? Because no salt. I feel like salt's in everything. So so I got coffee because, again, a cup of coffee makes me feel like it has that kind of satiating feeling, so you don't feel so hungry. Broccoli, fresh broccoli, and I got the frozen ones, but that's because I found out they were on special afterwards. But I'm still gonna like do the fresh broccoli as well. And I got some peaches again, just to have some fruit. Like, these are the only sugars I'm gonna have this week because, you know, they got fiber and all that other good stuff that fruit has. Anywho, I got some chicken. So you see, chicken breast. I actually wanted to get chicken thighs because I don't love chicken thighs. They're a bit too fatty for me. So like, I feel like by the time I cut all the fat off, I lose a lot of the meat. But I like chicken thighs because if you're not having salt, they kind of, I guess because they're more fatty and they're dark meat, it's like they kind of have a bit, like they have a bit more flavor to them, which you need if you're kind of going without salt. But long story short, I got the chicken breast because they were on special. It's plain and simple. Like, they were the same price, like $4.99. I know it says $5 or $6.99, but it was actually $4.99 once you use your club card, blah blah blah. So I was like, well, chicken breast on special, I love a deal, I had to get the chicken breast. So I got so I'm going to be having chicken breast this week. I got avocado because I have some sardines. I have a lot of sardines because I got them at Costco. So I'll have the avocado with the sardines. Lemons because no salt, so squeezing some lemon over stuff kind of gives it a little flavor without it being salt. Onion, again, no salt, so I'm going to have to rely on onions. I've already got garlic to kind of like bring the flavor out of the meat. So yes, that's my little haul. And then in addition to that, what have I got? I got egg whites, almond milk. As you see, the fridge is bare. Oh, another avocado. Oh, Ezekiel's bread. So I'm not eating that much carb, but I'll have a bit of Ezekiel's because it's whatever, unleavened. That's maybe like 3.5 ounces of salmon that I air fried this week, so I can have that for one meal. What is this? More broccoli. There's my sardines that I made, and I've got more boxes of that. So yeah. Salt-free week. I guess bring it on. It's got to be done. And this is my accountability post. Keep me accountable, y'all.